Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about some of the remainder properties and the concept of remainders and cyclicity based remainder problems and some theorems based on the remainders. Now, first remainder can be split in based on addition, subtraction or multiplication. Like remainder of a plus b by m can be written as remainder of a by m plus remainder of b by m. Same way, the negative property also. Remainder of a minus b by m can be written as remainder of a by m minus remainder of b by m. Remainder of a into b by m will be written as remainder of a by m into remainder of b by m. Based on the powers rule, remainder of a power x when divided by m will definitely be equal to remainder of a by m to the whole power x. For example, remainder of 779978 when divided by 11 will be equal to remainder of 9900 by 11 plus remainder of 78 by 11. 9900 is exactly divisible by 11. So remainder of 78 by 11 is 1. So 0 plus 1 it will be 1. Remainder of 1960 when divided by 13 it can be written as remainder of 2000 by 13 minus remainder of 40 by 13. 2000 when divided by 13 the remainder is 11. 40 when divided by 13 the remainder is 1. So 11 minus 1 our remainder will be 10. Same way, remainder of 4913 when divided by 15. 4913 we can say that it is a cube of 17. So it is nothing but 17 cube. So I can split it and write it as remainder of 17 by 15 into remainder of 17 by 15 into remainder of 17 by 15. So 17 when divided by 15, our remainder is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So 8 when divided by 15, the remainder is 8. Same way, remainder of 19 power 201 when divided by 18, what is the remainder? So remainder of 19 by 18 to the whole power 201. 19 when divided by 18, the remainder is 1. So 1 when divided by 18, the remainder is 1. So 1 power 201 will be 1. So our remainder will be 1. Same way, when a number 10 divided by 11, the remainder is 5. When the cube of the number is divided by 11, what will be the remainder? So now we know the cube of the number can be written as remainder of n by 11 into remainder of n by 11 into remainder of n by 11. I know remainder of n by 11 is equal to 5. So n cube by 11 will be 5 into 5 into 5. So I'll get 125. Since 125 is greater than 11, again I need to divide that by 11. So 125 when divided by 11, my answer is 4. Next, concept of negative remainders. 18 when divided by 19, we can say the remainder is 18. Otherwise, when we are using the concept of negative remainders, the remainder will be minus 1. Now, negative remainder can be obtained by subtracting the remainder with the divisor. So 44 when divided by 53, the remainder is minus 9. 8787 when divided by 11, the remainder will be. So let's take based on the negative remainders. 8787 can be written as 8800 minus 13. So 8800 when divided by 11 minus remainder of 13 by 11. So 8800 when divided by 11, the remainder is 0. 13 when divided by 11, the remainder is 2. So 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. So we cannot leave the negative remainder as such. When we are getting the negative remainder minus 2, that has to be subtracted from the divisor to get the absolute value. So 11 minus 2, it is 9. So our answer will be 9. Now we can see one example. Find the remainder when 25 power 65 is divided by 9. So first, remainder of 25 power 65 when divided by 9. We can take the power outside. So remainder of 25 by 9 the whole power 65. 25 when divided by 9 we get 7. 7 by 9 to the whole power 65. So now the 7 is uh, less than 9, but we have the power 65, so we need to bring the power inside. So 7 power 65 when divided by 9, what is the remainder? Since 7 power 65 is a huge number, we need to go for simplicity. So based on that, remainder of 7 power 1 when divided by 9, it is 7. Remainder of 7 square when divided by 9, it is 4. 49 by 9, the remainder is 4. 7 cube when divided by 9. So 7 cube, I don't need to find out what is 7 cube. Just multiply this value by 7. 4 into 7, 28. 28 when divided by 9, the remainder is 1. So next, obviously, since it is 1, next the pattern will repeat. 7 4 1 7 4 1 7 4 1 like that. So now we have 3 cycles. So we need to divide the power by 3. So here we have power is 65. 65 and divided by 3, we get remainder 2. So we can say our second value 4 will be our answer. So now, one commonly made mistake in remainder properties, when 21 power 35 is divided by 28, what is the remainder? So usually based on the property, what we will do, 21 by 28 to the whole power 35. 21 by 28 both are divisible by 7. So 3 by 4 to the whole power 35. 3 by 4 means the remainder will be minus 1. Minus 1 to the whole power 35 is equal to minus 1, or we will say our answer is 3, which is 4 minus 1, 3. But it is a wrong answer, because if we say 15 when divided by 10, our remainder has to be 5. But when you simplify, what is happening? 15 by 10, it will taken as 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, our remainder will be 1. But actual answer should be 5, but we are getting 1. So simplifying is not wrong, but if we are simplifying with the final answer, we need to find out, multiply the value with the values which we have cancelled. So now here we divided both by 7. So we need to find out the final answer by multiplying by 7. So here we got answer 3. So we should not stop with this. We need to multiply with the cancelled value 7. So 3 into 7, 21 will be our answer. So here what we are supposed to do is, even if we are cancelling it out or we are taking 7 common outside, finally we need to multiply our remainder with the value which is taken out or cancelled. Now some of the formulas. A power n plus b power n will always be divisible by a plus b when n is an odd number. A power n minus b power n will always be divisible by a plus b where n is an even number. A power n minus b power n will always be divisible by a minus b for any value of n. For example, here we take 3 power 50 plus 5 power 50 when divided by 34, what is the remainder? Here we have even power, right? I can say it will be divisible by 2, but I cannot say that it will be divisible by 34 or not. So now I need to make my power an odd number. So I can write as 9 power 25 and 25 power 25. Now I can take based on the first rule, 9 power 25 plus 25 power 25 will definitely be divisible by 9 plus 25, which is 34. So our remainder will be 0. 33 power 5620 minus 12 power 5620 will definitely be divisible by 33 plus 12, which is 45. 57 power 109 minus 32 power 109 will definitely be divisible by 25. Okay, so based on this also the problems can be asked. Thank you.